Hello, this is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. I just wanted to give you a quick update on TEVA. If you recall earlier this week, I told you that TEVA was on my radar and I gave you some good reasons why I thought I was going bullish on TEVA. I've changed my tune for the short term. While I was correct, TEVA did show some good bullish base on a really beat up value stock. I posted right here that a volume surge was coming in and the resulting almost 20% move in the stock was rather impressive. I liked it. But for the same reason I liked it a couple of days ago, now I'm starting to not like it so much, but this would be the perfect opportunity to take any profits off the table because I'm starting to see a volume reversal signal. When volume extends into new highs and closes on opposing volume, I see that for the same reason I saw it as a bullish sign, I see it as a bearish sign. So now I'm looking for a short-term correction back down to probably the $10 range. The idea behind this is that price starts to get too far ahead of itself, it will always come back to fair value. The weekly chart is showing it's just topping out at the previous high, which is shown right here. We're just barely tipping over that. We never closed above it. And the weekly volume is still declining. So this looks like a great place to take a 10 to 20% base hit off the table and look for either a new trade or just hold this for a short-term correction. All right, it's important to understand and to use volume in your trading. And I want to make sure that you learn more about volume and trading in our up and coming live seminar, which is held February the 6th and the 7th. It's called Project V Swarm Live 2020. It's online only, so there's no traveling involved, but I'd love for you to come and join me. Time is running out, though. We've got about 3 weeks to go before the class begins, so I want to make sure that you get your tickets now, going to the link below this video and signing up. Or you can go to our website and get a copy of our book as well. And before I go, I want to give you one last update. There's a stock I'm looking at now called Macy's. Macy's, it's another one that looks nasty. If you look at the monthly and the weekly charts, it's down here in the very bottom of the dregs right here. But we're starting to see signs of the weekly chart that you've got some building volume and some potential momentum coming out. So looking at the daily charts, you've got the same type of buying signatures coming in, pushing Macy's back up to its current price level. So if you are interested in Macy's, I see a potential based upon this build price getting back up to the $22 range. Well, that's going to be almost 30% from where it's at right now. So 10% is about $1.70. $1.50 range would put us right in the $22 to $23 range, which is right in the prior resistance area. So that's my next update and tip idea for the upcoming. It's all based on volume. Volume leads the way and shows us where we expect price to go. And I'll teach you more about that if you come and become a student. Thank you very much for your time.